everybody look at the title, Jordan's Neighborhood. Then I want you to take your finger and find the compass rose. Where is the compass rose in this map? Everybody,
On the top.
tell me where's that?
Top right.
Top left. Top left. Good job. Top left. Now, can you guys find the map key? Where's the map key? Everybody tell me where it's at.
Bottom
Left corner. Good. So the compass rose is the top left. The map key is the bottom left corner. Now, on here, it says, families living near one another make up a neighborhood. This is a map of Jordan's neighborhood. Jordan's friend Sam lives in the same neighborhood. You can use the compass rose and the map key to read the map. All right? Number one says, fill in the missing directions on the compass rose. So when we look up here at the compass rose, is there any directions missing?
No.
Kaden, what do you think?
There should be northwest, southwest.
There is actually a few more directions. It's called northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. But have we learned about it in this book? No. So guess what? On number one, I actually think it's wrong. Because it says fill in the missing directions on the compass rose. Well, these are the only directions we learned about, right? So really there isn't any missing. So just cross off number one in your book. Because the compass rose already has north, east, southwest. So we don't need to add anything.
North, south, Miss Murphy. My house. I'm pretending. My house. I'm right there. Hey, that's my house.
Okay.
Hey.
Number two.
My house.
Is Sam's house north or south of Jordan's house? So everybody always gets tricked on this one. They find Sam's house first. No. We don't want to find Sam's house. We want to find Jordan. So everybody find where Jordan lives. Put your finger on it. Then I want you to take your finger and either go north up to Sam's house, or I want you to put your finger on Jordan's house and go down south to Sam's house. Which direction do we have to go, guys?
South.
South. So on number two, on the little line, is Sam's house south or north of Jordan's house? It is south. We have to go down. So number two is south. If I write this right here, can you guys see it, or should I put it on the whiteboard?
I can see it. I can see it on the whiteboard.
Okay. I'll do both. How about that? All right.
Miss Murphy.
Yes, Wyatt.
So you're walking down the street to Sam's house. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Is that like you're trying to get in? Yeah, let me.
Okay,
cross out number two.
Beyond.
No, cross out number two. Number three says, does Rose Lane, that's a road, it's called a lane. Does Rose Lane run north and south? So is it going up and down, north and south? Or is it going east and west, which is horizontal? So everybody take your finger, find Rose Lane, and go east on it.
East.
Stop and think, Lewis, before you shout. Is it going north and south?
South.
East and west?
South.
What do you guys think?
South. South and south.
Okay.
South and west.
Okay, listen, that's not what it's asking us. It's saying, is this going north and south? Or is it going east and west?
North and south.
Okay, what is it?
North and south.
Good. You can't just say north or you can't just say south because the road, you can go up it, north, or you can go down it, south. So if it's going up and down, that's north and south. So we're going to write north, number 3, and then you just put a little dash, and then the dash means north and south. The dash is kind of like an and.
Wait, I just put north or south. I did north.
No, it's and, not or. It's and. Because if you say or, Wyatt, then you have to choose. North is our spelling word this week, isn't it?
You guys should be experts at spelling it then. Experts.
We
And it's right up there, isn't it?
Yeah, we can just look up there.
Yep.
And cheat. Yeah, hey, Miss Murphy, I just see north up there.
Okay, number 3.
Mrs. Daddy is driving down. I'll just keep on going west. You'll end up at east.
I'll wait till we're
What?
quiet.
Because if you keep on driving west, you end up in east.
Number 4
Okay.
is Violet Avenue. So avenue is another name for a road. North or south of Jordan's house. So I want to find Jordan's house. And then I want to go to Violet Avenue. If I go north, that means I'm going to go up to Violet Avenue. Or if I go down south to Violet Avenue. What do you guys think? South. Good job. So
Technically southeast.
it kind of is, but it's asking us just north or south.
Kind of south.
It is, we're going to just pick south. You're right, there is a little bit of east to it, but it is mainly south. So number 4 is south.
When do we move a pencil's down to Sam's?
Okay, then you can nicely cross off number 4. Okay, we have one more thing, we gotta map it now. The town is going to build a school in this neighborhood. Where should it be? Add a symbol for the school to the map and to the map key. So can everybody, I'm not gonna move mine up because it'll make it all disappear, but can everybody find this, what the school looks like? It has a building with the front doors and a flag. So down underneath the tree, that's where Mrs. Murphy is gonna draw I'm gonna draw my best school to kind of match that. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna try to draw it to match, or to make it look very similar. And then I'm gonna spell school, S-C-H-O-O-L.
Let's make a little box. Like
Yep. Make sure you put the flag because almost all schools have flags. Then you get to decide in Jordan's neighborhood where you want the school to be. So find a spot where you think a good place where the school would be, and then you're gonna draw it. And your symbol is gonna match your symbol in your map key. Okay, my school's gonna go up there. Kind of
Same
with
with
lots
mine.
of graphs. But you certainly put your school wherever you want it.
I put mine on the west.
Is that where you put yours too?
Yeah. So that's